write sky, grass, root letters. Students, you know sky letters, grass letters and root letters. We write sky letter in upper 3 lines. We write sky letters in upper 3 lines. And grass letters, we write grass letters in middle 2 lines. Root letters write in your 3 lines. Okay, students?
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.